Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use the Claude extension for Chrome. In order to do so, here we are at Google and we're searching for the Claude Chrome extension. That's going to redirect us to the Chrome web store, and here you can add to Chrome. So you're going to click on the blue button. We're going to click Add Extension. Then up here, it's going to show up Claude has been added to Chrome. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the toolbar. So we're going to click the extensions button. And what we're going to do is we're going to pin Claude here. So that way, from here on out, we've got Claude right here. We click on that and then boom, Claude shows up. We just have to log in. But that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you took a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.